How do you go from this hairstyle to this hairstyle? Or something like this hairstyle to this hairstyle? How do you change your hairstyle? You've had the same thing for the last 10 years or even maybe 10 months or 10 days, whatever it is, and you want to change up your hairstyle. Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down a number of things that you need to take into consideration and you need to do. First of all, your hair texture. Hair texture really plays a huge role in having a variety of different hairstyle options. Is your hair straight? Is it curly? Is it wavy? Is it kinky? Is it wiry? Is it very, very dry? Is it coarse? Is it thin? The texture, the density, all of that really plays a huge factor in what you can actually do with your hair. If you've got perfectly straight hair, you've got a good amount of density, your hair is not fine, your hair is fairly, thick, medium in density, and you can pretty much do anything you want with your hair, okay? Even if you're trying to create some sort of waves or curl, you can do variations of that even with straight hair, as long as you know how to style your hair and use different styling tools. Anything is pretty much possible. If you've got very curly hair and you want to go to straight hair or wavy hair, you can get a chemical process done. You could straighten your hair every day. You may potentially damage your hair and it's not the best for it, but there's always options when it comes to manipulating your hair texture. So the first thing you need to do is pick out a hairstyle that you can grow your hair into or simply change your hairstyle into by having the right texture. Make sure you have the right hairstyle and texture and density for it. For example, if you have a hairstyle like this, right? And you're wearing it up and this and that, and all of a sudden you want to wear a center part like this, all right? You want to start to try to grow out a curtains hairstyle. It's not going to look great. It's not going to be the most flattering, okay? So what you need to do is you need to grow the top really, really, really long and then continue to grow out the sides depending on what kind of side style you want. You want to undercut, you want to blend it all depends. And what you need to do is maintain a similar variation of what you have, right, until your hair's long enough that you can start to experiment to see how it's going to look. If you do this and part it down the middle from a hairstyle like this and you like the way it looks, then great. Then wear it and grow it out into that look. It takes a lot of patience. It really takes having a stylist or a barber who is on the same mindset that you are and on the same level that they can help you grow your hair out. They can help shape it into the style you're looking for, not someone that you're going to go into and just show them a picture and then they end up hacking it anyway. I keep hearing about these nightmares all the time, so you really have to find someone who knows what they're doing, and I know that's even difficult, but I've done videos on how to find the right barber or the right stylist. And then also another thing is experiment. Just simply stand there in front of the mirror and try different hairstyles. Try taking what you have and parting it in a different way, or if you want to get rid of the part, then you work the hair all forward. Okay, getting rid of a part really is a matter of just stop parting it, right? Comb it forward, comb it to the side, do what you have to do, but you have to experiment and get to understand how your hair reacts to whatever it is you're doing to it. If you don't really know how to work your hair well or style your hair well, then you're gonna have a hard time. So that's where it's like experimenting, making different types of food, right? Or you're making a drink. You're experimenting to make sure it's going to work well. So same thing with your hair. You have to make sure you can style it in a variety of ways, know how to style it, how to manipulate the hair, try different products, and really just, try it out. And if you don't like it, then fine, keep it the way it is. You may have to also go and see a professional because you may have a hairstyle like this, right? You may have this kind of undercut right here, and you want to grow your hair into something like this. Well, you may have to go in and talk to someone and say, hey, look, this is where I want to be and how long it's going to take me to get there. What do we have to do? Hopefully, they will put you in the right direction and give you the right advice and the right consultation and help you get to that hairstyle that you're looking for, right? If not, you may have to find someone else or just let it grow. Maybe try, I don't know. I don't suggest cutting it yourself, but but that's what it comes to. If you're looking to change up your hairstyle, be patient if you have to let it grow. It's gonna go through an awkward phase. Sometimes your hair is already at the right length. You just have to learn how to style it differently, and that comes down to just practice. And you know, I've got a variety of products you can use: hair tools, blow dryers, brushes, combs, all that types of stuff. If you are interested in purchasing anything, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Let me know if you found this video helpful, if you're planning on changing your hairstyle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.